Coforge Limited Q3 FY26 results, strong growth, deal momentum intact. Coforge Limited reported a strong and resilient performance in Q3 FY26, demonstrating its ability to deliver consistent growth even during a seasonally weak quarter for the services industry. The company continued to benefit from strong demand across digital, cloud, data, and engineering-led services. For the quarter ended December 2025, Coforge reported revenue of 4,188 crore rupees, marking a sequential growth of 5.1% and a sharp year-on-year increase of 28.5%. In constant currency terms, growth remained healthy, highlighting strong underlying business momentum across key geographies. Profitability improved meaningfully during the quarter. EBITDA stood at 83.4 million United States dollars, registering a year-on-year growth of nearly 38%. EBITDA margin expanded to 17.4%, reflecting better operating leverage, execution efficiency, and disciplined cost management. EBIT margin also improved sharply to 13.4%, indicating broad-based margin strength. Profit after tax, excluding extraordinary items, came in at 364 crore rupees, rising over 71% year-on-year. This strong profit growth was supported by revenue scale-up, margin expansion, and improved operational efficiency. One of the key highlights of the quarter was deal momentum. Coforge signed 6 large deals during Q3 FY26 across North America, Europe, and the Asia-Pacific region. Total contract value order intake for the quarter stood at 593 million United States dollars, reinforcing confidence in near-term and medium-term growth visibility. The executable order book over the next 12 months rose to 1.72 billion United States dollars, registering a robust growth of over 30% year-on-year. This strong order book provides revenue visibility and supports management's outlook for sustained growth across FY26 and FY27. From an operational standpoint, headcount stood at 35,341 employees, with a net addition of 445 during the quarter. Attrition improved further, with the last 12-month attrition rate declining to 10.9%, among the lowest levels in the industry, reflecting improving employee stability. Strategically, Coforge continues to strengthen its positioning in high-growth digital areas. The company's focus on data, cloud, AI-led engineering, and platform-driven solutions remains a key growth driver. Management highlighted that the integration of engineering-led capabilities is expected to further enhance long-term competitiveness. Coforge also continued to gain strong industry recognition during the quarter. The company was positioned as a leader across multiple ISG, Everest, NelsonHall, and HFS assessments, particularly in application development, managed services, quality engineering, analytics, and cloud services. Partnership-led innovation remained another focus area. During the quarter, Coforge launched AI-powered modernization accelerators and industry-specific digital platforms in partnership with leading global technology providers, further strengthening its solution portfolio. In terms of shareholder returns, the board recommended an interim dividend of 4 rupees per share, reflecting confidence in cash flows and overall financial health. Management commentary remained optimistic, citing strong deal pipeline, expanding order book, and resilient client demand as key factors supporting growth momentum. The company reiterated confidence in sustaining above-industry growth across the current and next financial year. In summary, Q3 FY26 reinforced Coforge Limited's position as a fast-growing mid-cap services player with strong execution, improving margins, robust deal wins, and high revenue visibility. With a healthy order book and disciplined strategy, the company appears well placed for continued outperformance. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.